Yo, we back with another video. Today we have a ship out. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So these are the Air Jordan 6's defining moments. I mean, like, the black on gold is cool, but I don't know. I can't see myself wearing these. But they are kind of beat. But I got them sold for like $130. It's nothing big. So we're gonna go ahead and get these wrapped, and we'll be back in a second. So now, since I got these back from the plastic wrap station, I'm gonna show y'all how we get this perfect. Get your hair dryer, right? Just gonna go over it. Not with the highest setting because you will easily make a hole in it, but just watch and I'll show you how we do it. Sheesh. There go one. We're gonna do this other one. So these aren't dead stock, but it's like opening up a Christmas present. Everybody loves to unwrap something. So this is a little thing I do, or if you buy something from them. Free with no charge, of course. You see how it's foamed up right there? Hopefully it comes back down. But boom. All right, we got these done. Now let's go find a box for these. So I want to show you this label. There's a label on here, and I want to get it off. So I'm gonna do it and show it to y'all. What we're gonna do is go over it right here. Get some of that stickiness on. Peels off. Try to get the top of it. Look, that easy. So we just gonna do that all the way around. So honestly, this label's too hard, so we're just gonna put tape over it. Put these in there. I don't like how that. So we don't get to the box. Getting boxes are always trial and error. Find the right one. Boom, that one looks good. Boom, that's what we're looking for. Since the bottom ain't taped, we're gonna tape the top, and we're gonna come back and pack it. Go get some bubble wrap, business cards, and that will be it for the video. Now we're off to the post office. That's tough, see? Who's that? UPS. We was at UPS trying to drop the package off, and they're closed. They closed at 7, huh? Alright, well, they're gonna have to get it tomorrow.